character of a transistor. Even I was surprised the day I learned that. My point is, if I do not touch it, the LED goes out, but the power is already applied to the circuit. And you remember one thing, the current from the source, say for example the green wire, entering the emitter and will be coming out through collector and then through the LED to the positive. This is the concept of a transistor. But my point is to ask you people, you have to support me. If you know, then good. If you do not know, then it is well and good. If we touch the base by our body like this, why does it glow? That means, how is the transistor behaving now? Because my body is not connected to anybody else. Now I will show you, I will touch the positive terminal and you can observe when I touch the positive terminal and finger with the base wire like this, the glow little bit increases. So my point is, let us discuss this in open forum. Those who know can write in the comment box. Those who do not know, also please note that I do not know. See, my friend from Spain, he has written, his body does not provide enough power, he just has enough to turn on the gate. Okay, this is one suggestion. Another suggestion, yeah, a little bit more power goes through your skin, not very much through because your skin resistance, but it does not turn on the gate in a little bit more. Sir, I am from Microsoft. You know, actually, I expect from you, but you should also write down on your comment whether during your school days or college days, did you enjoy this property? Uh, Someone else has written what you are doing now. I am doing something as already posted. We will enjoy the beauty of the transistor. That means live action. It is not a story. This is the reality of the transistor. Now, the voltage I have utilized for this circuit is 3.8, only 3.8. Mr. Pradyumna, I am showing that there is a transistor on this board connected. You can see through the LED, and everything is connected, but the LED is not glowing. But the moment I touch this this base wire, the LED starts glowing. So what may be the cause behind it? And if I touch the positive terminal along with, then the glow slightly increases. Now for your observation, let me increase the voltage a step more, and we see whether the glow, yes, the glow is now good enough for all of you to observe. Now the voltage may be 4.5 or something like that. Somebody has mentioned, if you add a capacitor and a resistor and a bit more wires, you can make it flash. I said, okay, we will show flashing of the LED in another day live program. But for today's program, I give you this as a option. Let us discuss, because we have not discussed till now, just we are showing. Now I do not know, this is going out totally. Now again, with my body in contact, this is the result, and connecting to positive along with the base again increases this LED current. So LED is glowing almost standard. Now let us discuss start from the start. I show you the voltage I am utilizing using the multimeter. Let us see what is the voltage. Let you people see that. This multimeter now is in DC mode. You can see DC mode, and the power source I connect and show you the voltage reading. Once again I connect, and you please observe this voltage is 6. I was apprehending 4 point something, but this is 6, no problem. Now what is the voltage the LED is now getting? At this moment you can see just 0.9 or 1. It is not sufficient to glow the LED, but minor current is flowing. But now when I touch this base wire, let me measure again. The LED voltage is this much only. No, this is wrong. This must be wrong, because when LED stands glowing, the voltage cannot be 0.9. Solar panels actually we will be doing again. Please wait, I will publish solar panel and related activities. I will show you in another program. Microsoft friend, I request, if you are available, then please report whether you have studied those things in your school days or not. Somebody has written emitter and collector connected through battery on AC supply. No, this is DC source. AC supply, you must remember, circuits do not respond to alternating current. Mr. Pradyumna, actually you should write something about your observation, if you are enjoying or getting bored. If you are enjoying, then have a question please. So please, there is no answer till now. Electronic components are made for DC circuits. Exactly, you are right. So some of our friends, they wanted to know whether you are utilizing AC source. Maybe I am using a battery eliminator. Some AC components must be passing through, but that is not we are concerned here now. For better application, that AC circuits we will discuss again. base used as switch. Now base used as a switch, let us discuss again. One of our friend has discussed base is used as a switch. It is okay. Base is used as a switch. It's not exact answer is base is used for triggering and transistor is used for switching. Remember, we have to correct our idea. Base of the transistor is used for triggering the emitter and collector path. And our LED is connected on the collector emitter line. Base is just a trigger. I don't make solar panels actually. I will collect and I will have a live program about the efficiency, about the different panels available in the market, so on. So till now we have not discussed in a depth. I shift the multimeter and now let us discuss again, because many of our new friends, they should learn. I tell you this LED, so those who are available in this program are requested to write what is the optimum voltage of the red LED to glow with sufficient brightness. First question from me. What is the optimum voltage for the red LED to glow perfect? Mr. Pradeep, actually 1 volt is not the optimum. 1 volt may start it, but optimum is 2 point something. So please remember that and you have to verify. Because I have utilized 3 volt supply for glowing that LED and that also stands, but it is little higher than the standard rating. So that is why I have a register for use. I do not know. I have a register for use. Now, how many of us can calculate the value of this register? I tell you the color code. This is brown, black, red. Brown, black, red. So please calculate. This color code is brown, black, red. It's not getting clear through this live camera. For that we need a special digital camera for webcam activities. Otherwise, I learned that this type of programs cannot be viewed properly by the phone camera while streaming. So please answer, what will be the value of the register if its color codes are brown, black and red? This I will show you now, opening the LED from the circuit. And another question to our new viewers, those who join now and learning the day one, suppose. Now this LED has got 2 terminals, one longer than the other. Now which is positive and which is negative? Mr. Pradyumna, actually you know the concept, but can we calculate what is the value of that resistor whose color code is brown, black and red? So I will show you using this from the basic. We will start. This terminal is positive and this terminal is negative. I show you both the terminals are connected, but the supply voltage is just 1.5. Maybe it is not perfect 1.5, so that is why LED is not glowing. I make the switch off of the light and then voltage increasing. It is glowing little bit. This is perfect. That means, battery current and backup current, this battery eliminator, they behave differently. So this is a little higher for this to burn out. So let me reduce. Now let our new viewers should learn that the red should be connected to the positive and the black should be connected to the negative of the LED for it to glow. Now let us discuss about the transistor legs and how to identify which is emitter and which is base and which is collector. You see, it has got 3 legs I saw before the lens, and you remember one side is flat and the other side is curved. This side is curved and this side is flat. Now these three, how you know which is base, which is emitter and which is collector? This transistor is BC547B. It is a NPN transistor. Now I show you, if you keep this flat end towards you, then the right terminal will be emitter and the center one will be base and the left one will be collector. So NPN, that means your base needs a little positive potential with respect to emitter for triggering the transistor. So that is why when I touch my body has got some charges, and because of those charges it triggers the base emitter path, and thereafter what I see, the transistor triggers. But collector goes to positive, base slight positive. So what we do now, let us configure again on this board. I show you, I post it and you have to follow the next behavior. This is posted on the board, 3 legs, 3 different holes. Emitter is connected on this particular line. There are 5 junctions, 5 connections, and my green wire is on one of them. So green wire we will connect to negative. Base, we remove this yellow wire now, and base we provide this resistor. So what is the role of this resistor? Now we will check. So what I am doing, I put this resistor on the base point and the resistor comes across another point. Now the red wire, which is positive, should be on this line where the resistor is dropping, because I want to power the base of the transistor from the positive of the supply. And now we have to see our LED is also to be configured. How is that? I show you, our LED should be connected directly from positive Observe carefully what I am doing. It is a direct connection for the collector, and let us observe what happens if we provide just 4.5. Negative is connected, positive is left behind. I connect the positive now, and let us see you could see, all of you, this is the configuration of the transistor. Emitter being NPN variety, emitter goes to negative. I show you little light I provide. Base, this time we provide the power from the positive through the resistor to the base, remember, and then collector line, I show you here, the collector line is here. So, we collect the current from this particular point through the LED to the positive. So, LED current goes through the collector emitter line. And now, I will show you the voltage of LED, because that is more important for all of us to observe what is the reality of this voltage measurement. What voltage LED is supply is getting for its glowing? This is 3.1, that is why it is glowing higher. If I reduce the voltage, the glow is little less. Less means totally less. So, this is the standard value. Now, in place of 1K, if I give 10K, it will be better for the LED to be safe. Now, point is that we have already covered the depth of the operation of the transistor. I summarize again, and let me see what extra questions are there. Somebody mentioned unable to see. This is the configuration. 3 legs configured. The emitter goes to negative, the green line. Base is connected to positive through resistor 1K. I told you to calculate brown, black, red is 1K, and collector goes to the LED and then positive. So, this is the circuit configuration. All of you please note. Those who want to do should have a trial at home after buying these many components. A small breadboard, transistor BC547B, resistance 1K, 10K, something like that, LED, and a battery supply of 6 volt. If you purchase, then you have to use 10K. Now, I am using here battery eliminator, so no problem. Now, let me see put this setup on upward, we cannot see properly. Now, this is the problem I face using the light source, proper light source, even the streaming efficiency is low. So that is why you are not able to see. Next time I will use DSLR camera and webcam we will use. So that will be best. But anyway, I am happy that we have discussed some positive concepts rather than directly showing some faces and enjoying some others' face. I do not like that. So I decided to go live with some new learnings. Okay, Mr. Friend from Paris SS fan, I do not know what is the end product. What did we learn? Let us summarize before we go. Please put your comments on your message so that I will be at least going through what are the shortcomings for this program so that we will develop it in our future programs. One suggestion I could see, things are not clear exactly. This I admit. And because these are small components, this streaming camera mode is not effective. But I was observing in a video mode it was very good. But the streaming video is low resolution, I think. Friend from Spain, could you write something? Or it is time for me to close. Put comments on the comment box and I will go through after the program is over. I think it is 11 o'clock. As promised, I must complete if there is no feedback. So please provide your feedback in the comment section so that I will take care for the next program. Okay, thank you all who joined me live. I will again come back for another program on MOSFET, the next episode. It's a field effect transistor. This is normal transistor. So the next program will be on the field effect transistor. I will publish and accordingly you are required to observe it. Thank you all. See you next.